It's 9 p.m. and Dana's water heater just gave out, cold water creeping across the basement floor, one towel already soaked through. She grabs her phone and types the four words everyone types. Emergency plumber near me. Two names come up side by side. The first, Same Day Plumbing, has 214 reviews and a 4.8. The second, Ramirez Plumbing and Heating, has been in business 18 years, does cleaner work, and charges less. And next to its name sits a lonely gray zero. No rating, no reviews, just a name and a phone number. At 9 p.m., with a flooding basement and 14% battery, Dana does not call the 18-year veteran. She calls the 4.8. Same Day sends a tech within the hour, and by morning, Ramirez's competitor has another five-star review, while Ramirez has no idea the call ever happened. He's better at the actual job. He lost the customer before the phone ever rang, because to a stranger with a wet basement, a gray zero doesn't read as new. It reads as risk. Why do online reviews matter for a local business? Because reviews are how strangers decide to trust you before they've ever spoken to you. For a local business, reviews do three jobs at the same time. They rank you. Google treats review count, recency, and rating as core local search signals. They reassure the humans staring at their phone, and they usually decide the click. Zero reviews doesn't say new and hungry. Sitting next to a competitor with 200, it says unproven, and unproven loses, even when unproven is actually better. What reviews actually do for a local business? It's easy to think of reviews as a vanity number. They're not, they're doing real work every hour of the day. They rank you. Review volume, star rating, recency, and whether you respond all feed your position in Google's local results and map pack. More real reviews literally makes you easier to find. They reassure the stranger. The overwhelming majority of people read reviews before choosing a local business. A handful of honest ones beats the slickest ad you could buy because they come from someone who isn't you. Recency proves you're alive. A review from this month says, open, active, still great. 50 reviews from 2019 quietly whisper, past their prime. Responses show you care. Replying to the glowing ones and the rough ones signals to both Google and the reader that there's a real, attentive owner behind the name. Why? My work speaks for itself. Stopped being enough. Your work does speak for itself to the people who already hired you. The problem is the stranger comparing you to a competitor at 9 p.m. can't hear any of it. Reviews are simply how word of mouth travels when the mouth isn't in the room. Without them, your best asset, the quality of your work, is invisible to the exact person deciding whether to call. Don't be the secret agent. Turn good work into visible trust. The fix isn't complicated, and it isn't asking for favors. You did the work. The review is just proof of it. 5 steps. Claim your Google business profile. This is the single most valuable place a review can live. If it's not claimed, start here today. Ask at the moment of delight. Right when the customer is happiest and the job's done, the problem's solved, is when a yes comes easy. Build the ask into your closeout every time. Make it one tap. A short review link or a QR code on the invoice removes all the friction. Nobody hunts for your profile, you hand it to them. Respond to everyone. Thank the happy ones by name. Answer the tough ones calmly and briefly. A graceful reply to a bad review wins over the next reader. Keep it flowing. A steady trickle of fresh reviews beats one big blast because recency is its own ranking signal. Make it a rhythm, not a project. This is the first thing we check in a digital visibility audit, and it's the gap that costs the most because it's pure lost business you never see. The difference between Ramirez and his competitor wasn't skill, it was who made their good work visible. The names are fiction, the story isn't. Somewhere near you, right now, a better business is losing a customer to a worse one for no reason other than more reviews. Don't be the secret agent. Got a question you want answered in a future case file? Submit it here and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All the best to your success. The Secret Agent series is based on real patterns I see play out across local business, sales, and real estate. Specific names, details, and scenarios are fictional or composited. The lessons are not.